Uh, Good morning, students. Today we are going to do the first chapter of elective English. Inzi lets things flow over him. This is an article published in Hindustan Times, the newspaper, dated March 27, 2004. Inzi is Inzamam ul Haq, the captain of the cricket team of Pakistan. This lesson celebrates friendship between Mujtaba and Inzamam, a friendship of almost 20 years. Status, money, and distance has not broken this friendship. Inzamam is one of the legends of cricket in Pakistan and all over the world. Despite differences in wealth, because Mujtaba is a poor man, he does not have that much of money as Inzi has. Inzamam became great because of his cricket and cricketing career. Mujtaba is a childhood friend of his. Even when they were young, when they were very small, as kids, they used to play in the stadium. But later, Inzamam took over cricket in a, in the best way he could, because he was a very good player with the bat, and he started practicing and went to the Lahore club. After that, he never looked back. After winning the World Cup, he became a superstar. Inzamam, you must have seen him playing on in the cricket team of Pakistan in the older matches. Everybody calls him Inzi. This is a very human tale of two friends whose friendship is an example to all of us. Inzamam and Mujtaba, they were 16 or 17 when they met each other, and they would always play together, study together, and eat together, and then they would go to the mosque for their namaz. Inzamam was a very strong man, and when once he was practicing in the Multan stadium, Imran Khan, the present Prime Minister of Pakistan, he saw him for the first time. He saw Inzamam practicing, and he invited him to come to Lahore, and Inzamam went there and he joined the Lahore club of cricket. And then history took a beautiful turn. In 1992, Pakistan won the World Cup of cricket, and his performance in this match-winning World Cup, in the match-winning, was wonderful. He played very well against New Zealand in the semi-final, and everybody came to see him. After getting the World Cup, they came back to his own city. Mujtaba did not know, he was not sure whether his friend would recognize him. But when the motorcade, or the cars carrying all the team members, was crossing by Mujtaba's shop, this man, Inzamam, he got off the car and he brought his friend for the rest of the journey. They waved to the crowds uh, from the motorcade, and this is what you call friendship. Fame did not change him. He had great responsibility as the captain of the team, but he never said anything bad about anyone. And this is the, I think, best thing about this man, that Inzamam always loved to play cricket, and he was the best in his field for Pakistan. And Mujtaba hopes that one day he would become the best player, and he did become the best player in the coming years. This is a story about friendship, and when we say that friendship should not be dictated by status or money or fame, but these days it is the other way around, because people are influenced by money and status more than by the person. So this is what this story teaches us, that we should always remember that friendship is a human act. It is not and should not be based on the how much money a person has, or how much influential he is. So the story ends here. Meet you for the next tomorrow. Thank you.